Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to snag protection. 1.5.5 armor in Minecraft, 1.2.1.6. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tech tips. Let's jump right in. Boot up Minecraft Java Edition and start a single-player world. Once it's open, go to LAN and Command Cheat put it on. Cheats are key to unlock this power. Next, hit the T key to bring up the chat. Grab the 4 commands from the description, one for each piece: helmet, chestplate, leggings, and boots. Paste each one and press enter. Boom! Your inventory is loaded with diamond armor that laughs at damage. Put it on and test it out. Take on a creeper, barely a dent. Leap off a high tower, hardly any fall. Even dip into lava, you're golden. Protection 155 turns you into a fortress, and that's it. You've successfully grabbed Protection 155 armor in Minecraft 1.2.1.6. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.